Going to read English newspaper. Rahul asks Nadda and Atisi to act on patient crisis at AIMS Delhi. Days after visiting the night shelter near All India Institute of Medical Sciences, highlighting their hardships, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha on Monday wrote a letter to Union Health and Family Welfare Minister JP Nadda and Delhi Chief Minister Atisi over the he urged Nadda that government will use the upcoming budget to sustainably increase its investment in public healthcare and also demanded that the new AIMS facilities across the country should be operationalized at the earliest. In his letter to Nadda, Rahul Gandhi wrote, I write to bring your attention to the distressing situation outside AIMS. No one should face such hardship, especially while already battling serious medical conditions. The Congress leader said that while AIMS Delhi delivers excellent and affordable care, the condition of patients and their families shows that health care is still out of reach for crores of Indians. As public representatives, we must all work together to address these issues, he said. Rahul Gandhi said, I urged you to take immediate and timely steps to address the situations at AIMS Delhi. The government of India should work with the AIMS leadership, the government of Delhi and charitable organizations to provide heating, bedding, water and shelter to patients and expand permanent facilities for accommodation. He also asserted that in addition, reducing the long wait times at each step of treatment and providing patients information about wait times would help reduce patients' uncertainty. Crucially, the larger systematic issue is that AIMS Delhi is overburdened because crores of people do not have access to affordable and high quality healthcare where they live. I urge you, as health minister, to recognize and address this system issue. As a first step, the new AIMS facilities across the country should be operationalized at the earliest. In addition, the public healthcare infrastructure should be strengthened at all levels from primary to territory in partnership with the state governments. He also said that central healthcare schemes such as Ayushman Bharat should be reviewed to reduce patient out of pocket expenses as much as possible by expanding eligibility, hospitals enrolled, and conditions covered. The sharp rise in the costs of private healthcare also deserves deserves detailed scrutiny. He demanded, I hope the government will use the upcoming budget to review its overall approach and sustainably increase its investment in public healthcare. The Lok Sabha MP from Uttar Pradesh is Rae Bareli said. Thank you guys for watching this.